About this item: plug and play. This USB and auxiliary 2-in-1 audio charging cable allows you to connect 3.5mm audio devices to play music while charging. Solve the problem that iPhone/iPad has only one lightning port. Note: iPhone's audio cable does not support answering calls. 3.5mm auxiliary and USB. The iPhone 3.5mm audio cable is suitable for connecting speaker, car audio, headphone and other audio output devices with a 3.5mm universal audio jack. The iPhone USB charging cable supports the connection of USB power adapter/power bank/car charging. Length 3.94 feet. MFI certification. Apple's MFI certification chip ensures that the cable can output a safe and effective current to the device. The iPhone auxiliary cord is composed of high-quality copper wire with tinned copper shielding layer to shield electromagnetic interference. High quality. The Apple auxiliary charging cable uses a double shielded, corrosion-resistant 24K gold-plated 3.5mm connector to ensure reliability and reduce signal loss and